but I won't cut it back. I won't throw it against the wall. I won't leave it down the mall, and I won't set fire to it. I'll take